Now in numbers we know that we have 4 operators. Now these 4 operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these are our 4 operators here: our addition, right, subtraction, and multiplication, and division. Now what's most important for us to know is what we call the order of operations. This is how we handle these 4 operators when we have an arithmetic problem or even an algebraic problem, right? So we use what we call the BODMAS. We're talking about the brackets first, then order, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So I've written here in order the order of operations. So we start with the brackets, then we go to the order. When we talk about the order, we're talking about the powers. So we handle the powers, and we go on to division, then multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. So this is our order of operations. So we call that BODMAS, taking the initials here, BODMAS. That's BODMAS. B for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we can have an example here to see how we can use this order of operations. And let's start with this question. Find the value of, on part A we want to find 12 plus 3 times 15 minus 7. On part B we want to find 21 plus 4 squared divided by, in brackets, 19 minus 11. Alright, so if we go on to our solution, let's start with the first one here on part A. We've got 12 plus 3 times 15 minus 7. So what has to start? Remember, we talked about the order of operations, our BODMAS. Right, so here you can see that we've got addition, multiplication, and we also have a subtraction. So what is going to start first here is the multiplication. So we start by multiplying 3 times 5 according to our order of operations. So we'll be having 12 plus, and then we will multiply 3 times 15, and we're gonna get 45. So we have started with multiplication, and it's minus 7. And next coming line is addition. So we'll be adding 12 and 45, and 12 and 45 will give us 57, and it's minus 7. So the last one, then we subtract 57 minus 7, and we get 50. So that is the order of operations right there. Let's go on to the second example, where we have 21 plus 4 squared divided by 19 minus 11 in brackets. Right, so what starts first is the bracket. So we first have to simplify the bracket right here. So we'll be getting 21 plus 4 squared, and it's divided by, then with the bracket we simplify 19 minus 11, that will give us 8. So we have dealt with the bracket. Next, from the bracket comes the order. The order, remember, we say that's the power. So we've got, in this case, this 4 to the power of 2. So that's next in line according to our order of operations. So we simplify the power, so it becomes 21 plus 4 squared is 16. So we get 16, and it's divided by 8. Right, now we have an addition and a division. So what comes next is the division. So we are going to divide 16 by 8. So it's going to be 21 plus 16 divided by 8, that is 2. And lastly we add, that is our addition. So 21 plus 2 will give us our final solution as 23. So you need to know this order of operations so that your work becomes easier when solving arithmetic or algebraic problems.